Good afternoon, guys. It is Monday, May 13th, 2019. It's just before 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am just leaving out to pick up my load for tomorrow. Headed down to Brenningsville, going to pick up a 2-stop load. First stop is Ithaca, and second stop is Painted Post. So we'll get that picked up tonight, and we will be in Ithaca probably around midnight tonight, somewheres around there. And we will deliver at noon tomorrow, and then go down and do the second stop. From there, we're going to head on down to Brenningsville again, pick up, and go out to Franklin, PA for Wednesday. Glad you could be here today. Thanks for joining me on the Trucker John Show. Think about subscribing if you haven't already. We will talk to you in a little bit. Okay, I think I'll put my sweatshirt on because it's showing 44 degrees, so it's warmed up a little bit. Not very spring-like weather we're having. It's kind of... Yesterday there was snow. Yeah. Hopefully it'll get self-straightened around here for too long. Alright, let's get out and get some fuel, guys. And we're getting DEF also. Truck number. And we don't need any cash, so we'll skip that. No additional products. And put in our driver's license number. And our state. Alrighty, we are fueling. Alright, so we'll go in and get our receipts now, and we'll be on our way. Okay, guys, once again we find ourselves in Brenningsville. Looks like there's a truck at the gate right now, so we're going to hold back here at the stop sign and go open our doors. And so we're backed underneath our trailer here, so we got to do our usual pre-trip and all that jazz. Gotta get my lock here. Let's check the fifth wheel first. Alright. So right now I'm checking to make sure the handle is all the way in, which it is, and I'm going to go underneath and check the pin. And the pin's good. Okay, we got our landing gear handle up, stowed. Alrighty. It's all the way forward. That you can see that front pin is right out there. Looks pretty good there. Oh yeah, this trailer's only got 4,000 miles on it. Okay, let's put our lock on. Check our seal. Let's see. $58. Let's see. 5867. That is the right number. Okay. There's that back pin. And then the front one. And looking around here, I don't see any egg masses from the spotted lanternfly. I don't see any flying around either. Alright, everything looks pretty good. Alright. Hey, I'll put our light away and stuff. Okay, just gotta finish our paperwork. Get rid of these gloves. And we'll get on up the road. Alright guys, we made us a pit stop here at the little fuel stop here in Goldsboro, Pennsylvania. You gotta circle around this little gas station and everything to get out of here. So you get back onto 380. Yeah, usually I don't make a stop on my way unless I'm gonna get fuel, but kind of hungry tonight. I got myself a cheeseburger, a Burger King cheeseburger. Don't really have much supplies in the truck to eat because I was gone like over the weekend and I didn't get any shopping done, and I got some eggs and stuff in there, but I think I'll save them for the morning and have me a cheeseburger tonight. Anyway, we are on our way back out to 380 right here. GPS just recalculated. It says I got 159 miles, but that's taking me some crazy way. Probably only got about 120. Alright guys, you probably can't see a thing because it's pitch black out here. Oh, I will get back with you later before we shut down for the night at Ithaca. Okay guys, it's just about midnight and we're here in Ithaca. I usually just park right over here. Yeah, my delivery is just back down behind these buildings here. A little couple 100 yards. Yeah, park over here. I'm not in anybody's way in the morning. Our delivery window is noon to 1 or noon to 2. We're going to try to get this one off just a little bit early because painted post is the same window. I guess we're about 40 minutes from painted post here, something like that. Gotta go out and do a post trip. This is pretty much my post trips. I do a walk around, check the tires and lights, make sure that everything's good to go for the morning, because then I'm going to do a good pre-trip when it's daylight out anyway. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching the Trucker John show today. Appreciate it. Give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and come back and see me tomorrow. Take care now.